Welcome to the coach setup of the Firstbeat Sports Athlete app. Let's explore how to make everything ready for your athletes. If your athlete is using the app for the very first time, you need to send him or her an email with the registration link. To do this, go to Sports Cloud into Team Management View. Click on the settings icon to send credentials for the Firstbeat Sports Cloud and the Athlete app. Your athletes will receive an email with the title, Welcome to Firstbeat Sports, or change your password if they have already registered. Athletes have to select a username and password to register. After they have registered, they must download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, athletes log in to the app with the credentials they just created. When using the app for the very first time, the athletes might need to pair the sensor with their athlete profile, if you haven't already done it for them in the Coach app. They do this by tapping on the blue pop-up or on the sensor icon, and by choosing the sensor from the list. When the strap with sensor is put on correctly, the recording will start automatically. Athletes can switch to the workout window to see detailed metrics such as training effect, current heart rate, and many other metrics. By swiping to the left, they can see the heart rate chart. Visible metrics can be changed by tapping on them. Wanted metric can be chosen from the list. There is a short description of each metric. Recording can be stopped by pressing on the stop button. Measurement data from the sensor will be downloaded automatically. As in the Coach app, it's possible to download data from the sensor without monitoring live. This can be done by tapping on the blue pop-up. Measurements will be uploaded to Sports Cloud automatically. Athletes can measure their recovery state remotely with the Quick Recovery Test. The athletes are instructed to take a comfortable position and relax. Wait till the heart rate slows down. The test is started by tapping on the start button, and it's done in 3 minutes. Athletes can mark their perceived recovery and leave some comments in the notes section. You can choose whether you want your athletes to see the test results in the app or not. Test results are shown by default. To change this setting, go to Sports Cloud and Team Management. Select the athlete whose results you want to hide, and then check the box to hide them. Tests should be done regularly to track the recovery state of the athletes consistently. Athletes can see downloaded measurements in the measurement list. List can be opened by tapping on the sensor icon. In the upper left corner, they will find the menu. Here they can access important basic information, for example, on how to wear the sensor, how to take care of the strap, and how to change the sensor battery. If your athletes encounter any technical problems, they are likely to find the answer in our support center. If not, please guide them to submit a ticket where they describe the problem and upload log files so we can resolve the issue more efficiently. After your athletes have downloaded and uploaded data successfully, they will receive a training report automatically to their email if you have enabled this for them. In the training report, athletes can find different sections: profile information, exercise summary, training chart, training effect, which describes what kind of impact the training had on their aerobic and anaerobic energy production system, and the training load chart of the last 2 weeks. All data will be automatically available for you instantly in the Firstbeat Sports Cloud. And that's it. Now your athletes are ready to use the Athlete app and monitor their trainings and track recovery remotely.